I started working in this technology 7 years ago at the university. Now, in Neurodigital Technologies, we are working very hard to bring it to all of you. Glove One has an array of 10 variotactile actuators placed in contact with your hand, controlled by a PCB with USB and Bluetooth capability. The whole system has been optimized to reduce its latency and to provide accurate tactile sensations. We support the two main finger tracking systems available on the market, Intel RealSense and LeapMotion. We use sensor fusion to combine this data with an embedded IMU to improve the tracking accuracy. The wonderful plasticity of the human brain, along with our refined algorithms, are the key to create the illusion that with our glove can actually push and feel the ignition button of a spaceship or the weight of a basketball.
As a doctor in neuroscience, I have almost 20 years of experience in neurological rehabilitation. I can state that Glove One is a definitive tool to enhance the presence of feelings in virtual neurorehabilitation environments. That is the way to obtain the most efficient results when treating brain-impaired people. This is the most human face of technology. Nowadays, we are collaborating in different research projects along with outstanding medical centers and universities for the development of treatment strategies in brain damage, Alzheimer, and visual impairment.
It is important to remark that even if we provide Intel RealSense and LeapMotion integration, developers are entitled to those technologies. Well, our API and SDK are completely Unity 5 ready, and we are working to include Unreal Engine to the batch. But still, we are eager to get feedback from developers to continue improving our SDK and to meet all the requirements they ask when facing a project with Glove One.
Would you like to try it?
In the start of 2014, we got contacted by III. They had this initial idea about turning a dancer's booty shake into music and asked us if we could build a project around it.
It just became interesting how it would be cool to develop something that's based around how to shake your ass is to music and like how you can also revert things and make music with your body as well.
The booty drum is a device that records movements through accelerometers attached to the dancer's booty. So these movements translate into unique velocities and triggers. So in this way the dancer triggers the musician's samples, and together they are creating a beat, or the structure so to speak. Becomes a collaborative track between the dancer and the musician.
We are on a mission to unlock the essence of reality in virtual worlds, to enable human integration with technology that is so seamless, all it takes is a glance for your digital environment to react at the speed of thought. We are Fove, the world's first eye-tracking virtual reality headset.
Fove is pushing the boundaries of what is possible with virtual reality and helping to realize its true potential. We wanted to create the next generation of VR, so we developed the world's most advanced eye-tracking technology and are complementing it with a high-resolution screen and low-latency tracking.
As the user perceives the digital environment, Fove's infrared cameras track their pupils and register the slightest movements. With each expression, glance, and blink, the user's intentions manifest in the virtual world.
Because Fove knows exactly where the user is looking with imperceptible delay, we can enable a technique called foveated rendering. This allows us to focus the fidelity in the part of the vision that matters most, leading to better performance on lower-end hardware than is currently possible.
By calculating subtle parallax between pupils, Fove enables software to present virtual environments with realistic depth of field, improving immersion and allowing the eyes to relax when viewing objects at varying depths. And by enabling fine control with the eyes, Fove significantly reduces simulation sickness through the elimination of unnecessary movements. With Fove, artificial intelligence becomes more responsive and nuanced, reacting to the player's most subtle intentions and providing more realistic interaction. With eye tracking, we can create a truly natural user interface that is intuitive and nearly subconscious in action.
What is truly interesting with eye-tracking technology is that it enables users to deeply interact with the virtual reality world by translating subtle eye movements into emotional expressions, which can be read and reacted to just like in real life.
But that's just the beginning. Fove technology enables entirely new forms of expression, communication, and movement. Fove has a profound future. Our technology will not only react to and emulate complex human emotions conveyed through the eyes, but also through facial expressions. At last, with Fove, we can fully integrate human expressions into everyday VR.
Fove is not just a dream. The technology is already working. Our team has been demoing the Fove prototype around the world, and the power of our technology is clear. People everywhere are really excited about this.
Fove's amazing. We at High Fidelity are working on letting people interact as avatars while they're in head-mounted displays. This is a solid HMD, even without the eye tracking. I'm really excited to see that combined with eye tracking and see what we can do with it. This is a huge step forward.
It's an incredibly complex technological problem to track eyes in real time and have it interact in the environment. There is a company who has solved this problem, and that's Fove, and we're very excited for their product to come to market.
Eye tracking really works very, very well. I support these guys 100%. Let's go Fove.
The future of storytelling lies with game interactivity. And I ask you, our backers, to support us in building the most expressive content that our technology can enable.
By being an early backer, you will receive an HMD dev kit, early access to our SDK, and technical support. Fove will empower you to create unprecedented kinds of expressions and interactions. We invite everyone to share our vision and support our project. Join us in creating the future of virtual reality.
I guess I just can't find it. Interacting with technology in your home should be seamless. We are a group of friends coming from backgrounds in electrical engineering, computer science, and industrial design. And we've been working for the last year to build a better way to use our connected devices. We've gone through dozens of prototypes and are now ready to manufacture right here in Germany. We've taken Nuimo this far, but for final certifications and materials, we need support from you. This is only the beginning. With your help, we can re-envision how it feels to interact with technology. Back our campaign and join our community. Together, let's get away from screens and closer to each other.